Hi, and welcome to this new chapter where we will be using creating observable using from operators. There are four different kind of from operators which is available: from iterable, from array, from callable, and from publisher. We have been looking at the examples of from iterable in this particular tutorial. From array is nothing different but very similar to from iterable. From publisher and from callable are something which we will be learning now. So let's just start with from callable. So creating observable using from callable. So we'll go back to our code and we'll create again a new class. Now, because we are telling that we have created a callable here, let's create a method which actually delays something, and it will be returning the result in future. So what we'll do, we'll create one more static method here. So what we are doing here is that we are trying to wait for 2 seconds and then returning the results. Okay, so till then we will be doing, basically there is no new operations being happening. For 2 seconds it is waiting and then returning the value. So we'll go back to this particular example where we are trying to wait, and then after that say return hello. Okay, so now this example looks perfect, so let's run it. So here is what you saw. The first thing which you saw is that an unsubscribed, then it waited for some time. So it waited for the 3 seconds, basically from 35 it said an unsubscribe, and then 37, so it is almost like 2 seconds. So we have given 2 seconds of wait, and after that it just said an hello because the result came after 2 seconds. It was waiting, and then it is followed by an on-complete. So this shows how a future results or callable results you can actually configure using a observable using callable.